我也一直想点，没点。Inside the nose is also very small, right? You can see Australia，但中间是 mono 的。This nose is very small, right? Okay. This mono quality is very good. This system is very breathable. The PU thickness is medium. Okay. This system is Australia. In the middle is mono with a PU on round. And this wave is 3 centimeters wave. This color is number 2, and the hair length is 50 centimeters. And the nose very small. Base size is normal size is 10 by 8 inches. Front to back is 10 inches, and ear to ear is 8 inches. And the density is very heavy. You can see more hairs. This density is about 110 to 120. This one is not in our stock. If you like, you can tell us. We can ship immediately. Okay? If you like this system, you can tell us. Okay, this system is finished. Next, let's see a very economic system. This is our economic system. The price is very best. Now in my hands, this system is color number 1B. The hair length is normal hair length 50 centimeters. Now let's see the base. The base is mono with NPU all round. This is mono. This base is in the middle is mono and NPU with all round. This system is also very breathable because in the middle is mono. The NPU thickness is also medium. The base size is normal size, 10 by 8 inches. This density is also heavy, right? More hairs. The density is about 110 to 120. Now this system is in our stock. If you like, you can make a screenshot, then contact us. The price is also very best. Okay. Okay, this system is our economic system. If you like it, you can tell us. The price is very best. Okay. Okay, now I will finish our live. See you tomorrow. Bye.